Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, February 18th. The essay from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening that I'm going to read for you today is titled, It Is Enough. And after I read it, as always, we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. If you cannot see what you're looking for, see what is there. If you cannot see what you're looking for, see what's there. One of the most difficult things for us to accept is that beneath all our dreams and disappointments, we live and breathe in abundance. It is hard when in pain to believe that all we ever need is before us, around us, within us. And yet, it is true. Like leafless trees waiting for morning, something as great and as constant as the earth holds us up and turns us ever so slowly toward the light. Our task is only to be rooted and patient. Never was this more painfully true for me than during the aftermath of my first chemo treatment. I was in a Holiday Inn at 5 a.m. after 24 hours of vomiting every 20 minutes. I was slumped on the floor, holding the space of a rib that had been removed 3 weeks earlier. And my wife, in anger, in panic, in desperation, called out, "Where is God?" And from some unknown place in me, through my pale, slouched form, I uttered, "Here, right here." The presence of God has never eliminated pain, only made it more bearable. Now, when things don't go the way I want, I try to kiss what waits beneath all want. Now, when the car breaks down, though I get angry, I try to hear the weeds in the ditch as they point me to the sky. Now, when the vase drops from my hand and shatters, though I whine, I try to see beneath my reflection in the pool of flower water. Now, when I hurt, I try to feel my way through the tangle of my very normal reactions into the quiet underlying old experience. Mysterious as it is, no matter our pain or excitement, our drama or circumstance, all that we could hope for is right here. We lack nothing. The humble challenge of being human is not in agreeing or disputing this truth. That is as fruitless as arguing against gravity. Our humble way, if we can open it, is to root ourselves beneath the 1,000 dreams and excuses that keep us from the ground we walk. Time and again, we are asked to outlast what we want and hope for in order to see what's there. It is enough. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, completely natural. Just finding this freedom, this sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present, all the experiences of the here and now can flow through you as energy that they are, without you arguing with them. Everything easy, no struggle. Now open your eyes if they were closed. Look around your room or outside your window and choose a tree or a plant. And for the next couple of minutes, watch it grow. Though, of course, you will not see anything. Just know that as you watch this tree or this plant grow, the earth is carrying it toward the sun. Now close your eyes again and imagine yourself as such a tree or plant. Know that though you may not see anything or feel anything, you are growing, always, and that something larger than you is carrying you toward the light. Though none of it is visible, feel the mystery of it all and whisper out loud, I am growing. I am being carried toward the light. I lack nothing. What I have in my life right now is enough. I am enough. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I always know that this moment is enough, that I am enough. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really, right here, right now? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. No matter our pain or excitement, our drama or circumstance, all that we could hope for is right here. We lack nothing. Remember, you're always growing, even when it doesn't feel like it. And keep reminding yourself that you are enough, always. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.